bano bakendi betsire liswelinga sililya mureta mbaisi bali kulira.
Gavumenti ya Uganda irukurabira mu ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga neyenda kufurura abantu omumaka agarukwingana omutwaro gumwe 2031 okurwa mu district mushanju ezirukushanga omu kyange kya Elgon abali akareborebo ko kushekerwa okurumuka kwitaka. Akakiiko aka kabugaineho bakama b'amataka omu district nkabulambuli hamwe na kwene okubaasa kubashoborera hanshonga ejo ey'okubaiha omu myanya eri akareborebo. Nabakoba arugambaho n'abaturage kurwa mu district zombiri ashabira abantu aba okwikiriza abatahi babo abali akareborebo akokubasa kwija kucwekerezebwa okurumuka kwitaka okuba nibaturaho omu myanya yabo.
Mukulaba tuyinza kujjawa ettaka ne tusobola okussaako abantu b'ekitundu kino tuleme kubeera nga tufiirwa obulamu oba oliawo n'ebintu by'abantu. Kati bwe bateekawo komiti eno batusindika batugamba first of all tuteese tulabe ettaka ki eriyinza okukola ekyo gavumenti kyeyagala kubanga abantu be gavumenti balina okuba nti esengula bali 10,000.
Engineer Hirare Onek ari minister w'ebigwererezi hamwe n'empungi arugire kushoborera ku gavumenti neyenda okufurura abantu aba okurwa mu kyange ekyo okweharaza butandunkezo zabeireho enyumaho.
And some of them came back again, landslide buried some and some were killed. So we don't want that to happen. Since they like to stay in Bugisu or in this Elgon area, we prefer that we get land here. Otherwise, if not, there are big land like in my area in the north. You can see miles, there are no people. We could take Bugisu there. I have no problem taking Bugisu there.
Bwanyuma y'okurambura emyanya ejo minisita yagambaho n'abanyamakuru kandi yashobora ebyarugamu n'ebirukwija omu maisho.
But from what I've seen, the situation is manageable, only that it needs to be handled very fast. Like I instructed on Amule's land, some of these issues need mediation and people sitting with their landlords. They sit, agree, come up with a memorandum of understanding to government, then government will be in position to acquire.
Mount Elgon has now developed huge cracks, and with heavy rain, those are likely to be landslides of massive scale. We may even get the whole village buried. That's our worry.
Commissioner w'ebigwererezi Davis Mwenyi yashoborera ku gavumenti yetebekanise okugonjora ebizibu ebi arikushobora ngu gavumenti neyetenga hikazitaka emitwaro 28 ezerukwetenga aho naho.
We first visited Amore land. You saw there were a lot of people who claimed the land was theirs, and definitely clearly that one is a problem. And then we also came to another piece of land. There were a few encumbrances in terms of counter claims, and so we thought that so that is how we have ended up at Kirigi here to look at another alternative land.
Bwanyuma y'ebyo minisita wa state habw'ebigwererezi Lilian Aber yarambura projekti y'amaizi omu Bunambutye erikwija kuhweraho okuchendeza ekizibu ky'ibura ly'amaizi omu kampu.
That was a very big challenge. That's why I want to thank Texan Uganda Mission for this initiative by providing the water sources, and this is something that's going to support us a lot.
Ariyo mwebembezi w'ekitongole kya Texan and Ugandan Zone Mission omu ihanga lya Uganda Samuel Ojok ekiresere projekti y'amaizi egi yagira ngu ekigendererwa ekikuru n'ekyokuhwera abantu abali omu myanya erimu okurumuka kwitaka okubaasa kuba nabo nibatunga amaizi marungi g'amayonjo.
We decided that it would be proper to have a permanent water point here that will last for generations. So whenever the displaced people come here, they are able to find water.
Gavumenti eine ekigendererwa eky'okwiha abantu abali omu myanya eri akangaratete k'okurumuka kwitaka omu Mount Elgon kandi n'okubyara emiti nkagumwe aha muringo ogw'okurinda ebyobuhangwa na n'okutuntumura ekizibu ky'okurumuka kwitaka.